Is it a block off plate, do you think?
There's a block off plate on it,
Yeah.
and there's a piece that fits. There's a piece that fits in.
Yeah.
There's a block off plate on it, and this piece fits in, and it is for power steering.
Okay, okay.
It's a power steering. It's a power steering pump that
Yeah.
works off a motor.
Yeah, yeah. And would it run off this gear, this one, the second drive here?
No.
Oh, it runs off the motor.
It runs off a motor.
Really?
Yeah.
Like it's a
It's got a gear in it.
Yeah.
Put it in and you bolt it up
yeah.
and it runs.
Yeah. I'm just recording it so I can listen to it again.
It runs off the motor. I'll show you what it is.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll show you what it is. Aye, this one's over. This one's were quite. So that is your.
Did you ever need the glow plugs working?
There shouldn't be any glow plugs on this thing. It's
Really?
It's a direct injection.
Really?
No.
Yeah. So there's no glow plugs at all?
No.
Wow.
No, that was a good thing about the 13Bs and the 13BTs
Yeah.
and the 14Bs and it was only the 3B motors that had glow plugs in
Is
it.
that right?
And the glow plug thing was on your ignition key.
Yeah.
You turned it one way and you heated it up, and then you turned it again and then it started.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Oh, that's so interesting because
But
I just assumed it was never hooked up.
No.
Yeah.
There's no glow plugs in it.
Huh.
Here's your injectors.
Yeah.
Here's your feed,
The return lines.
the return lines,
Yeah.
and stuff like that. No glow plugs,
Wow.
right?
And it starts so well as well.
Right. That's basically. Yeah. So this is not a good,
No, I want to get away from that. So
a horrible thing. So
yeah.
we used to have, we had them on the cruisers before,
Yeah.
and when it was on hills,
Yeah.
it used to fucking boil.
Oh, really?
Right.
Yeah. Because I noticed. Yeah, it does heat up.
It does heat up.
Yeah.
And with the radiator, the way it is.
The way the shit radiator.
The way it is, that wouldn't help your situation any.
No.
You would have to be very careful about that.
Yeah, I watched the temperature.
What I mean is,
Yeah.
The thing is, that it could blow at any time. You
That's
can
right,
see
yeah.
It's just others.
Okay. So it'll fit in there straight, direct. No. It's the same radiator.
We're gonna wait. I'm gonna wait to have a look.
Yeah.
But the one I got was I think it was about 580 or something like that. Round
Okay.
about that. Plus it was GST as well.
I see.
That's the situation. So
Yeah.
that's your.
There's 2 fuel filters, you see.
Wonder why. Is it just needs to be. It just needs to be on there.
Okay.
This doesn't need to.
Yeah, I was wondering about that.
It doesn't need to be. It doesn't need to be on here at all.
No. See, I got the relay on. A relay for the starter motor.
Ah, right.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
To take the power away from the switch, and got a security device. Yeah.
Oh my bloody need that.
I know, eh?
You need have you got a kill switch on it?
Yeah.
Is that a kill switch?
Yeah, it's a immobilizer. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you need.
Yeah. 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 Actually, you arm it like this. It's not armed at the moment. Well, it's not. Yeah. And then. Oh, still not.
What's your expansion tank?
Yeah, it is, yeah. It's all pretty cobbled together, eh? Yeah. I want to clean it up over the next.
The expansion tank's supposed to be over here.
Oh, it should be closer?
Should be over there.
Oh, really? Yeah. There's room for it right here as well, eh? Why does that run from here to this? And then that way?
I don't know for that's just been, that should be married up to this.
Okay.
But it's just been, see, it's a thing from there to here.
Yeah.
And that goes for that, and this goes onto your expansion tank.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So where do you buy new hoses and stuff? I feel like I just need like, you know, I feel like I need like 10 meters of the things or something, you know, like.
Well, I mean, that's just.
It's ½ inch, or.
All you have to do is to just get. All you need to do is to get black hoses like this.
Yeah, yeah.
Which will be reinforced for that.
I see.
And so it shouldn't be too much of a problem.
No.
Shouldn't be too much of a problem at all.
No.
So you've got a really switch that goes on here. You Southern 4-wheel drive might be a good way to go.
See, look, that's the steel motor Assemblies Limited, Christchurch.
Oh, right here, okay. Yeah.